Hey guys. Yeah, I've been to the scrapyard again. It's a Saturday, so if weather is great, and we have great weather, and it's Saturday, I'm going to the scrapyard because I need some materials to continue my work, and also I like to find things. So what I have found, you will ask me? Scrap. Yeah, there were fine things like some dude throw away the engine of the Volkswagen T3. It's this bus. It was diesel engine, and he decided that he's not needing it again, so he like sold it to scrapyard for 15 bucks. If I would like to buy it back from scrapyard, it would cost me like 40 bucks, and I really, it was great engine because it was diesel and in pretty good condition. I asked the dude that he was throwing it away, and he said that this engine is okay. But yeah, I have a lot of things that I have to take care of, and I really the manhandling this terrible heavy piece of machinery was not my today's goal, so I left it there. I found my friend to notice him that there are some things like that on the scrapyard. Also, beside this engine, there were some many T3 related things like repair panels or yeah, repair panels, etc. Yeah, but what I have bought today and like yesterday, because yesterday also I was in the city because I had to replace the gas bottles for my MIG welder, and yeah, what I have found yesterday, I have found those are like pistols for the gas from the gas station. Yeah, this is gas pistol with the that can evacuate vapors, and those are diesel pistols. Why I've bought them? Because they look nice. Yeah, they look interesting, and I want to make a hanger for the like for the wires or for the clothes. I don't know, maybe I will use that for that, or maybe I will use it for something else, but they were interesting, and they cost me like $10 for the 7 of them. Yeah, one of them I will use for the pump station that I want to build right here. That's like have like few hundred liters of the diesel and gas for my purposes. Yeah, from today, this piece, this is like frame from the high tower, AT high tower computer. Why I've bought it? Because it's in decent condition. It's not great, but it's not terrible, and I can reuse that in some way for my retro computers. Yeah, this radiator, someone throw away the new unpacked like for the heating the home or something like that. I want to use that in my, I have bathroom in my building on my property, and I don't have the radiator there. I will place it there. It will be way more that it needs, because it's like, I don't know, 1 kilowatt. Yeah, it's like 1 kilowatt, so it's pretty beefy I would say. for that purpose. It can like hit 10 square meters, so yeah, pretty beefy. Let's move along. Maybe I will just shove all this crap from my car and I will show you then. So yeah, another wheel. This wheel I will use on my plow. I wanted to use like car wheel there, but yeah, too much work. I don't have time for that, and I will just cut it off and weld on the adjustment piece, and I will show you that, because I have a plow to plow the ground for my tractor, but I don't have the wheel, so I cannot adjust the depth of work. And it should be like wider and little bit bigger wheel, but it is what it is. It will work better than nothing. Yeah. I didn't want to buy this, but I forgot to leave it there, so we have like a pot, and yeah, the broken, it's like for the meal, but it costs nothing like in this, so I took it. Bolts, I will use that bolts in this project. So in my project that I'm working on, that is the like mower. Those are like clamps for the chuck for the lathe. It is a complete set, four of them. Some tools that I will need to. Oh, I have noticed. Yeah, but it's like cost me like $50. But yeah, it's chipped. But I will see if I can buy the piece, the bits for that. If not, I don't care. I can throw it away. It's another one. Those like those were work pieces that are mounted in like a drill or in a milling machine, but those are tapered shafts with the Mark IV, if I'm not mistaken. It's a Type 4 mount, and I can reuse that, if not right now, so maybe in future. Each one was like $1.50. This, it was like it's stuck, but I will make it move. I want to mount it on the support on my lathe. I will remove those bearings, I will replace bearings, and I will mount it on my lathe on the support. Here will be end mill, and I will be able to mill the slots in shafts. I need that because it's terrible that I cannot do any work like that, and I cannot make drive shafts. Some steel pieces that I use, if not right now, so in next project. Bearing block, it's pretty fine. It's not terrible, not great, but I can use that on some projects. Piece of the tractor drive shaft. Why I took it, even if it's broken, because they're expensive. And those pipes are expensive, and I have some drive shafts that need those kind of pipe. Security cap, and piece that someone made for the like tractor trailer, so it can be left, and I took it. It's pretty nicely. It looks ugly, but it can function. Lawnmower, like, I don't know, $20. I don't know what is the shape. I've tested the if it spins, it spins. It has some compression, so I believe it's fine. If not, if it is not fine the same, at least I can like give to someone it, so someone will reuse the deck if his like engine is okay, but the deck is rotten out, what it is usual. This deck is great. I don't know if it's plastic or steel. Probably it's steel, but it's plastic line from the inside, so it haven't rotted out. So yeah. And this piece, it is for the wood, so cutting wood. It was for the cutting wood, but someone had broken it. As you can see, it had engine, but no rotor. I miss that I don't have a rotor for that, but yeah, I will reuse that, and I will use that for for cutting steel. I will need to make the new mount for that, but yeah, it will be okay. Those like pipes or the bearings are okay, and the angle piece that I was hoping it is okay. It is okay, so I can angle the cuts in 2 directions, and it is great, because making this mechanism is a pretty pain in the ass. And yeah, and that's all what I have found on the scrapyard this time. Yeah, I tried not to hoard many things. I try to buy things that I can use right away or very soon, because hoarding is a terrible disease, sickness, illness, I don't know how to call it, but it's very terrible. I have friends that has issues with this, and yeah, not fun. Okay, I will show you. Maybe I will try to work on this mower, do some preliminary tests, so I'll check if it works, basically, in some degree, because the like starter piece is broken, and someone did that on purpose. Probably it was thrown away because the starter piece was broken, and someone cut the rope off, because I asked on the scrapyard why it's broken, and someone said, oh, I took the handle because I needed handle, so I don't care what happens to the mower. So. Okay, let's get going, and we will see if I can do anything with this mower. Yeah, it's a 4-stroke, so we'll start from checking the oil level. I haven't checked it on the scrapyard. Yeah, it was like haste. I was doing this in haste, so it has some oil, so it's okay. Any oil is okay right now. I see that someone messed with the engine cover, so probably it doesn't have a spark, or someone took it to fix the took it out to fix the starter, pull start, and resigned. Or maybe it's messed too much and I bought like boat anchor, so I don't care. I'm doing this for fun, basically. Okay, those are not metric, those are like standard. It's like standard for you, not for me. Yeah, probably it would be better for me to pop those rivets and start from there, or maybe I will just use some other wrench. I will see what I can do. Maybe I have some 6-side wrenches. Yeah, I'm playing Musty One right now, but let's see what I can do with this broken mower. Can we save it? Yes, we can. I was watching him like addict, but right now it's I can watch him from time to time. I'm just waiting for the bigger projects. He's got like sometimes he works on the cars. He's got like some Volkswagen buses. Yay! What we can see here? We can see here that it is a car. It is an engine. Yeah. Maybe we can remove that, or we want to remove that. If it can kill the spark. But yeah. Okay. It can work. I need a new rope. But yeah, in which direction it moves? It's like in clockwise direction. Huh. It's funny because as you can see, the fins are like in other direction. But yeah, it is clockwise. So we will start with testing if it's got the spark. I will take some drill to help myself. I have many tools, many projects, and my brother hates that I have many projects and many started projects. He won't care if I have not projects that are done. Why do I care what my brother thinks? Yeah, I have many tools and I cannot keep them spark plug looks okay. Champion spark plug. Maybe I'll drip some oil there, but we will check if it's got spark. Now I will drip some oil into the chamber. Give me a second. This can work as an oil. So, like WD-40. Whatever. Ow. It needs 24. Right here I have 23. 27 will be okay also. It really doesn't matter. No, 24. Yeah, I have said something about losing my tools. I couldn't find the 24mm socket. We have fine spark. So what else we need? So it needs spark and needs fuel. What can we use for fuel right now to test if it has enough compression? Because it's like it can have no compression for that. We will use the musty one method. It's a very heavy oiled two-stroke, so yeah, we need drill mode, no slow drill mode. See if it can start. Yeah, we have yeah, this drill won't make it. Yeah, maybe this fuel is not great. We will check the fuel. I had issues with that previously. Bring the more newer fuel than this old one that evaporated on the sun like for a few days, for a week, because I used it last week for the for my chainsaw. Okay. I will need to check what happens in the carburetor, because I see that are some pieces missing. Yeah, I hope that because those parts are pretty hard to get. Like, I can buy the whole carburetor, but the parts like all the crap. Oh, okay, someone flipped it on the side. So yeah. It looks like maybe. Okay, it's fully open. Maybe I'll just pour some, because there is none fuel. Pour something. Someone forgot to change air filter, or clean it at least. Yeah. I'll just, yeah. Not much. I'll see if the pump is, oh, it is working. Priming pump, it's working. Yay! Carb looks like it is working. I will maybe I will take the different air filter or clean it a little bit, not much, maybe a little bit. Give me a second, I will be back. I will need to clean this off with the some gas or something like that. So yeah, I've cleaned the filter. It's not great, but not terrible. It's way better than it was before my work. So. It's better than nothing. The squirty works. The mower apparently was on the kick on the side, so there's some oil in the carb. For sure I will need to work on this governor setup, etc., because someone messed with that. Maybe it How's my fuel? I will move to the real drill because this won't work. Also, I have fouled my spark plug, so it should be okay. It should be okay. Yeah, when I said real, it is real. It's an Eastern Bloc made drill for the real man. I have cleaned this spark plug because it was fouled by oil. Yeah. Not much. Not much. Yeah. And we'll switch the drill for the real one. It's a slow turning without the speed adjustment, but it's a powerful drill. It can break your arms. Yeah. So yeah, it works as it should. Yeah, I wasn't expecting that. But it works. And the cost of it was like, I don't know, is there 24 kilograms, so 24 times 3, it's a 75 divided by 5, so yeah, $15. Am I right? Yeah, $15. Pretty okay mower. And I will need just to fix this springy terrible thing, and I will check if it just has some issues with the spring, but as I can see, I will try to wind this few times. If it won't skip, it will be okay. No, it's fine. So I don't get it why someone just threw it away. Maybe he was tired of the, I don't know, having it on his property. Also, it's not for my property. It needs to be like yay high. Maybe I will use that, maybe I will just give it to my neighbors. We will see. But yeah, I'll need to find some rope, wind it, make some handle, because I have somewhere I have some handles, but yeah. Okay, we'll be back. Yeah, I cannot find the rope. Any rope. I have found the very thick rope, and it won't do here, so I need to buy some rope tomorrow. I will go to the It's not a swap meet. Here in Poland and in Europe we have like markets every Sunday, and we can just go there and buy some usually automotive equipment. Those markets were designed for that in some big cities, but yeah, lately it's not so much automotive. Like you can find anything there. You can buy some tools, but no car parts, and because everything just went to the internet, moved to the internet, and tomorrow I will go there, and I hope that I will find some rope, because they have some small engine stuff sometimes, usually, and there are some sellers that have the like pull starts for the chainsaws and something like that, and I hope that they will have some rope like this gauge, because I have like 2 times bigger diameter and like 2 times, and it won't do. Yeah, so we'll back on this project tomorrow. Now I will clean my crap right here, and maybe I will just reassemble this mower slightly. I don't have a screws because someone just threw them on the yeah, on the pile. So I will clean here. Maybe I will just add some screws. Yeah, my as you saw, the chuck went flying because someone who owned this drill before me nicked it terribly, and yeah, it won't hold chucks as it should, and I don't have a way to fix that correctly right now. There are things like I can use the blue and check where it's hitting, just blue the chuck, check where it's hitting, remove it slightly with the scraper. I don't care, I won't use this drill much. So yeah, see you tomorrow with this project. Hey guys, another day, another adventure. Sorry for the video quality because I'm using my phone, and yeah, I don't have my camera with me. Not that the quality of the video was better, but yeah, as you can see, the mower that I bought from the scrapyard works. Only thing that I done to it, it was like winding new pull start rope, and I found in my pile of junk the handle for it. Other than that, I've changed the oil and sharpened the blade. Blade was fine. It was like almost new. It looked like someone in last season bought a new blade, used it like maybe last season or 2 seasons ago, used it, and just decided that he's not going to use the mower again. Yeah, so the mower, as you saw, performs fine, and I'm going to sell it to my neighbors. I will take the money I will take the money I spent on it, so like $25. They are using the electric one, but uh, their the electric price of the electricity is like, it's insane. So they will not use the electric mower again, and I will just sell it for a small price. They will be okay with that, and I hope that they will be happy. If they won't be happy, I will just give the money back and I will take the carcass of it, of this mower. So yeah, it was a great find. It worked like for 20 minutes. I mowed a little bit around my place, and if it will not work for them, I will just get it back. And I just want the money I've placed in it get back. I don't want to earn my living by fixing this mower. So yeah, the best thing would be to buy the basket for it. I don't have basket, and probably the neither did the previous owner. Maybe he got the basket, but I will just pick it and give to my chickens. Yeah, maybe he didn't had, or just when he was throwing it away, he left it at home, or they just told him not to dump it on the scrapyard. So yeah, it's a Italy made uh, mower from 2011, so it's 12 years old, but it runs great. I was at the first time I started it, it just threw the like smoke cloud, and I thought that maybe the engine is bad, but no, engine is good in this mower. It's not vibrating much, so I think that they will be glad to have this. If not, I will use that, or my brother will use that for his place. So yeah, okay. I will post this video today, and I recorded it on the phone because I wanted to post it today. So yeah, see you next time, and I have many projects to finish, so I hope that you will be interested in it, because I will record like half of it, not all of them. See you guys, bye.